Hello, let's go on an animal adventure. We will visit many animals and see where they live. Watch closely and learn. Let's start our journey now. This is a lion. It walks on the grass under the warm sun. Lions are strong animals. They live in open lands.
This is a fish. The fish lives in the ocean. It swims in the water with bubbles all around. Fish move smoothly. They live under the sea.
This is a camel. The camel lives in the desert. It walks on the hot sand under the bright sun. Camels can travel far. They live in dry places. This is a monkey. The monkey lives in the jungle. It climbs trees and swings around. Monkeys are playful. They live in forests. This is a bird. The bird lives in the sky. It flies high, above the trees. Birds build nests. They live up high. This is an elephant. The elephant lives in forests. It walks slowly near trees and rivers. Elephants are big. They live in nature. This is a frog. The frog lives in water and land. It jumps near ponds and swims in water. Frogs can do both. They live in wet places. This is a horse. The horse lives on a farm. It runs on the field and eats grass. Horses are fast. They live with people. This is a polar bear. It lives in icy places. It walks on snow and swims in cold water. Polar bears love the cold. They live in the Arctic. This is a dolphin. The dolphin lives in the ocean. It jumps from water and swims fast. Dolphins are friendly. They live in the sea. This is a snake. The snake lives in the jungle. It moves quietly through the grass. Snakes slide slowly. They live in warm places. Let's think together. Where does the lion live? Does it live in water or on land? Look carefully. Take your time. You can figure it out. Now think about this. Where does the fish live? In the desert or in water? Watch closely. You know this one. Think carefully. Last question. Where does the camel live? In the forest or in the desert? Look at the sand. Think slowly. You can answer it. You did a great job. You learned about animals and where they live. You answered the questions. See you next time. Bye-bye.